I think it was a fabulous learning workshop. I picked up a lot. I learned that I have a lot to learn. And also it was really nice to be with a group with professional people like Hamish, Dale, Carly, that didn't mind to actually share their knowledge with us without being shy, and made us feel comfortable to ask the questions and not feel stupid to ask a stupid question so it was really helpful.
Would you recommend these workshops again?
I would absolutely recommend this workshop to anybody. I actually already have.
Oh, awesome. My other question is, what did you think of the food?
Wow, the food was absolutely amazing. I've never been treated so well on any weekend away at a workshop, and the venue, the food was absolutely amazing.
My name's Matt Smith. I attended the Dream Photography Astro and Landscape workshop, and I highly recommend it. The location was stunning, everything was so well planned, there wasn't anything that the team didn't think about. The food was amazing. This workshop has definitely made me a better photographer.